techniblogic.com.
Hi guys, Nick here from techniblogic.com, and Xiaomi is all over the place in the technology world by creating its own Android smartphones, televisions, tablets and so much more. One of the most interesting products the company has in its lineup is Mi Band. Xiaomi first Mi Band wearable aimed to bring basic activity tracker to the masses because of its pricing. Now Xiaomi is back with a new, more expensive fitness tracker, which is Mi Band 2. With an OLED display and a new design, let's find out in our full review for Mi Band 2. So before the video gets started, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the red icon down below. It will definitely going to help my YouTube channel to grow. So coming to the box of the device, it is a normal brown box which we find on other Mi Band box as well. At the back, something Chinese like specification. Just quickly open up the box by pulling out the poly and all the things keeping aside. First comes the tracker with the OLED display on it. When I move further and open it back side, you will see the heart rate monitor which is lighting up right now. I just keep this aside, and this is the Mi strap which you are seeing, which looks quite good and with a proper black metallic finish over it. I just keep all the things aside over here, and there is a one manual over there and a charging cable using which we are going to charge this Mi Band. Now just connect the device using my Acer Zenfone Max and just download the application which is Mi Fit, and after that just open up the Bluetooth, giving the access to it, and just find the Mi Band. So to find it, just select the Mi Band and just tap on it, and it will find the Mi Band as you can see in the video which is going on. Right now it is updating the firmware, and I just skip this part, and now starts with the full review and all the specifications in the application which you can find. So aside from the strap, the Mi Band 2 doesn't really look anything like the original Mi Band. It looks like a Bluetooth dongle and fits very elegantly into a silicone strap. It is a very thin and lightweight device which you will forget after wearing it in most of the time in the day. One of the biggest problem with first Mi Band is that it feels cheap because of its silicone strap, but this time the Mi Band 2 strap is much more rubbery and soft all around, which I really like. This time Mi Band 2 is a little bit pricier than the predecessor, and you can buy this from Banggood.com at very affordable price with free shipping. This time Xiaomi decided to include an OLED display, which I must say is very nice in indoor visibility, but it's pretty tough to read outdoor in the sun. Xiaomi says that 0.42-inch display is also UV coated and scratch resistant. And till now, after more than 20 days of use, I haven't got any scratches on it. Underneath the display sits a capacitive buttons that lets you filter through the current, time, steps, distance, calories, heart rate and battery. You can also check the time by simply lifting your wrist up. The Mi Band 2 also comes with an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. This means you can wash your hands without taking it out, but you shouldn't go swimming using this. Xiaomi also says there will be more colorful bands option available in the later date, but till now it is only available in black color. The Mi Band 2 does everything you would expect from a fitness tracker. It tracks your steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned and how much you sleep. And the most and the best part is this, it is 95% accurate. If you care about your step tracking and you are looking for inexpensive alternative, then Mi Band 2 is definitely for you. The device will automatically record your workout in the Mi Fit application, which is quite convenient, which we have shown previously in this video. The Mi Band 2 will also record your light and deep sleep and does a pretty good job for that. Once you woke up, you can check all the sleep stats in the Mi Fit application. The Mi Band 2 also supports silent alarm. You can wake up with a subtle vibration if you aren't a fan of noisy alarm clocks. One of the Mi Band's headlining feature is its optical heart rate monitor. The heart rate monitor isn't continuous and you have to stay really still in order to take its reading. You can always stop running to check out your heart rate, but that's not most convenient method for many of the athletes out there. Its display always allows you to fire up the heart rate monitor much quicker than you could use in the Mi Band 1S, but comparatively Mi Band 1S heart rate was much better than Mi Band 2. Maybe some software tweaks are required over here. The best part over here I like is the full notification support. The device will buzz your wrist when you have an incoming text or phone call. It works almost all the time, but you need to always on the Bluetooth of the device which you have connected with it. Xiaomi says the Mi Band 2 can last up to 20 days in a single charge, and that's exactly what I have seen in these testing phase. It's pretty easy to charge the Mi Band 2 as well. Just remove the dongle from the band, plug it into the proprietary charger, then hook it up to the USB port of your laptop or computer. MiFit is a beautiful application that displays your daily activities, sleep, weight loss, heart rate, and goal on the main screen. Here you will be able to access daily, weekly and monthly graphs showing your progress over time. One of the best part is that MiFit can connect with Google Fit, WeChat, which means you will be able to access your result in your favorite app easily. If you are finding a fitness tracker in a budget, just go for it and buy it from the links given in the description down below. So that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this stuff, be sure to hit the like button and do comment and subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter and make sure to check out my other YouTube videos. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, see ya and keep rocking.